Hey guys, this is how to add networked Grabbables to your Gorilla Tag fan game. So basically, first you can get a cube or whatever you want, and basically I'm gonna use this as my Grabbables, but whatever. Um, if you're gonna use a cube, make sure it has a box collider and it's perfect like this, for example. But if it's a like sphere or something, make a sphere collider and the perfect size. You can do whatever size you want. I don't know, man. Okay, but if you're doing an object like this, um, I'll show you guys how to actually make these type of meshes to work. So make um just yeah, put a box collider on and make sure it's perfect. You can do it, you can size it however you want. I'm just gonna make it like this, cause yeah. Also, you always gotta do this. Make sure its trigger is always off, or it would just fall through the floor. Okay, anyways, put the networked grab interactable script on here. Yeah, gotta always do that. So basically, what you want to do is go in the photon view, put the ownership transfer to take over. And now this synchronization, I think. Wait, okay, synchronization. I think that's how you say it. Put it to unreliable on change. Trust me, this is the best option. If it's like bad though, if it's like not good, put it to reliable delta compressed. But yeah, and now the photon transform view, keep everything the same. Now the rigid body. Don't edit anything here, but put the collision detection to continuous speculative. How do you even say that? Okay, whatever. Okay, so now, um, on the networked grab int uh, on the networked grab interactable, um, create an empty object. Um, you want to name it this. Um, bro, I forgot. Okay, you want to name it XR manager, or you can name it whatever you want. Oh, it doesn't really matter what you name it. Now put the XR interaction manager script on here. If you don't see any XR stuff, um, you need XR, or bro, how do you not have XR and you're making a Gorilla Tag thing? Okay, do not change anything in the global filters. So you're just gotta drag your XR manager into here. Now colliders, drag your box collider into colliders. And now this is where it gets really good or really important. So if you really want grabbing to be really smooth, um turn on use dynamic attach and turn off these on. And if you want to make it like those Gorilla Tag fan games, turn on um force gravity on detach. I'm sure it's detach. Yep, it's detach, I'm sure. Okay. And now so to grab the object, what you want to do is dude, I forgot, bro. Okay. To grab it, you gotta go in VR. Yes, you can't test this in Unity. You gotta go into VR. And after, um, you gotta hold grip on the object like most Gorilla Tag fan games. And yeah. But I'll also show you guys, this is optional, but I'll also show you guys how to add like to block your monsters and stuff. Like to actually block your monsters. So basically, um put a nav mesh obstacle on this and put the shape to box. It will be like the same size as the box collider sometimes. And now turn on carve. So basically what this does is that if the object touches the floor or something, it will like carve the nav mesh floor like that. So it basically just blocks the monsters. You can put it however size you want. I'm just gonna do it like that, I guess. Like that. Something like that. Oh, yeah, like that. And now, I'm gonna put this a little lower, not gonna lie. Okay, so, should be fully done. Yeah. So grabbing will work and it will be able to block the monsters. Oh my god! Load, bro! Also, to get the networked grab interactable script, go into my Discord server in the description. Also, I just made that Discord server like yesterday. Tell me if there's any issues with the Discord server. But it will block the monsters. And it does have gravity. No! Okay. Yeah. It fully. No! Okay, I'm just gonna turn. Oh, bro. I'm just gonna take that off. Whatever. Make like remove the grab interactable. So as you see, oh, hello? Oh, it's right there. Dude, what am I doing? It will block the monsters. See? Oh, yeah, it blocks the monsters. Stop being smart, bro. No. Okay, yeah, you can edit the settings however you want on box collider and nav mesh obstacle. Yeah. Um, yeah. I'll create a few of these. Um, but I'll just stop the recording. Oh, um, I'll stop the recording after I put this somewhere, like right here. I think this is a good spot to put it. Yeah, that's a good spot. Okay, that is how you add networked grabbing or grabbables. And okay, see you guys in the next tutorial. Peace.